Why does your glue not stick? Well, that's a good one to kick off with, because that's something we've all experienced, and possibly why doesn't my tab stick as well? Quite simply, process. Okay, we need to control our environment when we're glue pulling. So there's lots of different glues out in the market. We have written our process mainly towards two specific glues because they work best for our in-controlled environments. If you're out on the road, if you're out in different climates, you may have your own personal favourite. But what you've got to do is stick to a process. So cleanliness and temperature are really, really key. A 6Cs process, absolutely worth a read. So you can go onto the website, go onto the level 2 or level 1 system. Underneath that in the drop downs you'll see literature. You can click on the literature that says our 6Cs process. It's all out there, it's free of charge to collate, and then just have a good read through that. It's going to give you every piece of information you're needed. Most importantly for us, we would start by reducing moisture from the panel. So we'd make sure our panel temperature gets to 50 degrees, which is in Fahrenheit, 120 in Fahrenheit. It's all on that card as well, so there's that changeover between Celsius and Fahrenheit. So 120 degrees just to get rid of that humidity off the panel, just in the area we're trying to stick our tab to. We're going to make sure we understand what substrate we're working with. We're going to make sure we polish the area and then clean with an isopropyl alcohol. So this one we have cleaner and releasing agent. Give that a good wipe over, get rid of all those contaminants from the panel surface. Flash our tabs over. I mean, we need to clean our tabs as well. So we want to use some of the release agent and the cleaning solution, clean the surface of our tab. Then we're going to heat the tab as well. So what we want to try and do is we want to try and get so we have the glue's dispensing at 195 degrees as well. That's another important thing. So we need to make sure that our glue is reaching that 195 degree mark. You'll see a little wisp of smoke coming out there at the glue gun. That's a good indication that we're at that point. But what we want to try and avoid is cold panel, cold tab, warm glue. Because what you're going to do, you're going to crystallize the tops and bottoms of those faces. We want everything to warm together and cool down together. So hopefully that's answered a few questions there, but honestly, get onto the website, download the 6Cs process. There's a video on there as well. If English isn't your first language, you can watch a video. But yeah, all the tips and tricks and the step-by-step of all the 6Cs are on there for you to use.